welcome to the video today. First things first, I hope you're doing well, and if this video has found you, you're ready to move, you're ready to finally step into that life that you deserve with a committed effort, with an idea that you meant for more, but you're just not quite sure how to execute it yet. So let this video be the step you need to finally get them legs going, finally get moving. It doesn't matter what idea you have or what you're wanting to bring to the table, we can sort this. The tools that I offer and the platforms that I've built are there for people that want more out of life. These are not get rich quick schemes. It's not a false narrative. I'm not somebody driving Lamborghinis telling you life's going to change overnight. But what I will tell you is that if you work with these systems that we have, you can improve your life and finally start having the freedom that you truly deserve. We wasn't put on this earth to walk a 9 to 5. We wasn't here to live a repetitive cycle of working and being somebody else's dream and sacrificing our own. So again, if this video has found you today, it wasn't by coincidence and it wasn't by chance. And these videos are purely designed to find the people that they need to reach. And for you watching this video, you know there's more for your life than what you've been given or what you've signed up for. So explore the links below, reach out to me if you've got any questions or any answers, and start putting your ideas, your dreams. You know what your dreams are, you know where they are, they're in your chest. You know them great ideas that you've had late at night, and then the next day you thought, oh, okay, maybe now's not the right time, or maybe I need more money to do this, or maybe I need to hire a team, whatever it might be. I don't care. What I'm trying to tell you is, with the systems and the tools that we have today, there is no better time for any soul that's willing to put in the effort to make their dreams a reality. And you can be one of them too. My systems are tried and tested. They're not gimmick fluff. They're not gonna, if anything, you're gonna feel that stability straight away. Within the week, you're gonna feel that stability. Then you have to take the reins and make the growth yourself. This doesn't give you the business, the plan, the action. This gives you the tools to run away with, and you can implement them straight away with the guidance and the teachings that I provide. So excuse me if I'm on a bit of a rant. I'm just out on the walk, and I've got a good hour's walk back, so I'm trying to get back before it gets dark. But yeah, this is a prompt reminder. So if you're questioning yourself or you're second guessing yourself, just know that you are built for more and that you are going to move. And if I can inspire 1 or 2, 3 people every once in a while to actually move, then that's the whole point of my videos. So if this video was any help to you, please give it a thumbs up and a like and subscribe. That would be much appreciated. And let's get this message out. Let's start resonating. Let's start helping each other. I'm not going to paint a picture of a pristine life, that a false narrative. I'm talking to you, someone who's been through it, who showed up every day just knowing that there's more, and refuse to accept the life that we're living. And ultimately, let's start being better people. Let's start being better humans and start living the life that we're here to live. So yeah, check out the descriptions below. I'll put them in the box below, and I'll see you on the next video. Take care.